Quantum Vedic science on happiness. Donation is a gift of money or its equivalent to a charity, humanitarian cause. Types of donation. 4 types of charitable giving. Cash. Monetary donations are one of the simplest ways to contribute to a charity or non-profit. Stocks and securities. Many non-profit organizations accept stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other securities as donations. Planned giving and charitable trusts. Valuable assets. If we conclude in terms of quantum physics, anything which is given to someone in forms of matter is known as donation. The human body is made of billions of atoms, so that how donation affects us. Atoms that lose electrons acquire a positive charge as a result because they are left with fewer negatively charged electrons, which are parts of matter, to balance the positive charges of the protons. So quantum Vedic science says as you lose matter you becomes positive. It means gains positive energy, more energy in your system, and you feel more happier in your life. Please like, share and subscribe my video.